Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. So in this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today we're back with another plug. We have 2 online English teacher positions that are available worldwide. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So this is how the website looks like, and the name of the company is iIngord, and here it says hiring English teachers. So let's just scroll down to check more information. So the company currently have 8,000 students and they are between the ages of 3 and 30. They currently provide material and also have a good booking system. So they also have students who attend during the day and also have students that attend night classes, and their peak hours are between 5 to 10 p.m. Beijing time. So 50% of their students are junior and they're between the ages of 3 and 15, and then 30% is basically high school and college students. They're between the ages of 15 and 18 years old, and then 20% is basically adults. So this is what they do. They have so many students. As mentioned earlier, they have about 8,000 students and the number continues to increase. They provide materials. They have a rich library of teaching materials. So they provide more than 50 kinds of teaching materials. They use a classing platform. So to check that out, you can click on download here. And then they have a very perfect booking system. The teacher can upload slot at their own will. So they pay via PayPal, Gcash, and Payoneer. They hire non-native speakers. So if you can't speak English fluently or you're a non-native English speaker, you can go ahead and apply. You can still apply. They're going to hire you. So with regards to TESOL or TEFL certificate, even if you do not have one, you can apply, and they hire anywhere in the world. And then here are the requirements. You need to be passionate about teaching English. You need to have a good accent. You need to have good communication skills in English with neutral or near native accent. You can work on peak times. The peak time is between 5 and 10 p.m. Beijing time. And you need to have a good work ethics. So you need to have a stable internet connection. You need a minimum speed of 10 Mbps, but some client might require 15 Mbps or more. You also need a stable power system. So if you live in areas where there's frequent power outages, you should have a backup power supply. And another thing is a working computer or laptop, and you just need to invest in a computer or laptop or even both. And you also need a headset with webcam. So as you click down there, testimonials, you can go ahead and check them. But then to apply, you click all the way down to where it says contact us. You are going to share your resume and your introduction video to this email address. It says onlineteaching.work@outlook.com. So all the best, guys. I hope you are gonna go ahead and apply. Let's move along to the second one. So the second one is called Alta, and they currently don't have a website, but then this is their page. You can go ahead and check out their YouTube video. It's inserted here. And let's just scroll down to check more information. So this online school has a student between the ages of 7 years old and older. They're always hiring teachers. They hire about 2 or more each month. Most of their students are from Europe and Poland, and their peak time is between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. So this is what the job is all about. You'll be teaching ESL to kids 9 years old plus, teens and adult at various ages and language levels. That's A1 to C1. So you'll also be teaching native language English speakers that moved to Poland from the UK. That's between the ages of 7 and 14 years old. You will be using the homeschooling curriculum, not ESL. And also you'll be teaching via Zoom using PowerPoint presentation shared on your screen. You will work between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. RSA time. That is plus minus 1 hour due to the daylight savings. And also there is a group sizes between 2 and 5 and also one-on-one classes. So this is what they offer: fair hourly rate, no deductions, paid to your South African bank account on the last day of the month. You can work from home in the comfort of your own home. And you are going to work between 12 and 30 hours per week guaranteed. That's a minimum of 15 hours a week. That's Monday to Friday only. You won't be working weekends. And also there's a pre-planned lesson plan with the flexibility to choose the best material. And you can have multiple sessions type, including adult and junior classes. So this is what they require. So here it says we're looking for a self-motivated and enthusiastic teachers who have the ability to motivate student and control the online classroom. So they're looking for English first language speakers. That one is a must. You need to have a BA degree, diploma, or completed first year of any university course. So if you have just 1 year of any university course, even if you didn't finish the course, you can still apply for this position. You need to have either TEFL, TESOL, CELTA qualification. That's a must. And you need to have some teaching experience. And then what is beneficial is IELTS and FCE and CAE exam preparation. So this one is not a must, it's just beneficial. So you also need to have a good internet connection that supports Zoom conference calls and up to 6 people. You need to have your own laptop and headphones, and also backup solution for load shedding. So this is why you should choose Alta. They say their students are fun, European students. They say they are fantastic, and most of them only study with the same teacher during their time at Alta. And also they have friendly admin staff that focuses on teaching and let you do the rest. And then they also have South African management. Yes, that's correct. The owners, Malcolm, is South Africa. So the owner of this company is South African, and also Besia, who is Polish. They know all about braai, load shedding, and South African holidays, which you're going to get paid extra for. So they also say they reward their teachers. They also have a supportive community of South African teachers on a WhatsApp group. They pay fairly, so they pay 150 an hour in rents in your first year, and you can receive your money via bank transfer at the end of every month. There's no deductions and no delays. So to apply, you are gonna go ahead and send your documents to Malcolm at alta.aju.pl, and then the subject line, don't forget to include the job application, and also follow the instructions that they wrote there. For instance, how your CV is supposed to be like, and also a video or a link to the attachment. So also your WhatsApp number, so you need to follow everything that they wrote in there. So that's it from me, guys, and go ahead and apply for this position. If this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next person. And also don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also share this channel with other people who might find it very useful. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.